Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best roller bag is probably one of the most important purchases you will make as a frequent traveler, ensuring your belongings are safe and easily transported wherever your adventures take you. In this video, we will review the top roller bags on the market, comparing features, durability, and overall value to help you choose the perfect travel companion. Number 5. Amazon Basics Carry-On Luggage. It's the perfect size for weekend getaways or short trips. You can easily fit it in overhead compartments, saving you time and hassle. Its hard shell protects your belongings from bumps and scratches during travel. You can rest assured that your items will arrive safely. Need to pack a little extra? It expands up to 25%, giving you more room for souvenirs or additional items. Keep everything neat and tidy with its interior divider and zippered pockets. Finding what you need is quick and easy. For multi-directional wheels and a telescoping handle make navigating airports and train stations a breeze. Smooth rolling and easy maneuvering are guaranteed. Available in a sleek navy blue color, it's both stylish and functional. It's the perfect companion for your next adventure. What we like. It has a scratch-resistant hard shell to protect your belongings, and it's expandable for extra packing space. If you need a durable and reliable carry-on for short trips, this is perfect for you. Its multi-directional wheels make navigating crowded spaces a breeze. What people say. Wheels roll very smoothly and the weight of the luggage unpacked is very light, so this set definitely makes travel easy. Rolls so easily, doesn't fall over like my old one, very sturdy and a beautiful vibrant color. Rolls beautifully, zippers are smooth, very attractive blue color, and you can fit a week and a half clothes for 2 in there. Number 4. SwissGear Sion Softside Luggage. Maneuver through busy airports with ease. Its 360-degree spinner wheels and retractable handle make it a breeze to transport. It features multiple pockets for ultimate organization. Keep your belongings neatly arranged and easily accessible. This expandable suitcase offers ample packing space. It's perfect for longer trips and keeps everything secure. Made from durable, scuff-resistant polyester, it's built to withstand the rigors of travel. Your belongings will stay safe and sound. It includes a removable wet bag, mesh pocket, and tie-down straps. Packing and unpacking is quick and simple. With reinforced handles on the top and sides, lifting and carrying it is effortless. Enjoy comfortable travel with this convenient design. What we like. This stylish checked luggage boasts 360-degree spinner wheels for smooth rolling and multiple pockets for organization. If you prioritize effortless mobility and ample storage, this is the ideal choice. Its durable polyester construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of frequent travel. What people say. First, it is perfectly designed in that there are 2 outside pockets that are perfect for carrying a billfold, cell phone, etc. They do not interfere with being able to open the luggage completely or partially in terms of accessing the main storage area. This is quite clever. Second, inside, it is super sturdy with an interior metal frame. The wheels are super solid and roll well with little resistance. Nice touches include a large dedicated pocket for dirty laundry and a separate toiletries pocket. You won't need to pack a separate DOP kit, saving space. The telescoping handle works well. Rolls easily, made very well, good price, nice colors, material is thick enough to last a long time. Rolls down airplane aisles with ease. The size of interior is enough for a week or more. Several zipper pockets, 1 plastic for damp small items. I love all of the different compartments on the inside and outside. The material and structure of the suitcase are high quality. I love the wheels. They make it easy to push your suitcase with virtually no resistance. Rolling your suitcase alongside you is so much nicer than dragging it behind you on 2 wheels. Number 3. Rockland Melbourne Carry-On Luggage. This stylish and functional suitcase is perfect for your next trip. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, while its durable construction ensures your belongings are safe and secure. It meets the size restrictions of major airlines like United, American, Delta, Southwest, and Allegiant. You can easily take it on board without worrying about extra fees. Made from lightweight yet extremely durable ABS material, it's built to withstand the rigors of travel. It's tough enough to protect your belongings, but easy enough to handle. The multi-directional double spinner wheels provide effortless 360-degree movement. Navigate busy airports and crowded streets with ease. The sturdy ergonomic aluminum telescoping handle ensures comfortable maneuvering. You'll appreciate its smooth extension and secure locking mechanism. The interior features a mesh zip pocket and an elasticated pocket to keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. Packing and unpacking will be a breeze. With its sleek design and practical features, it's the perfect travel companion. Experience effortless travel with this exceptional piece of luggage. What we like. It's lightweight yet durable, making it easy to maneuver. If you need a carry-on that meets most airline size restrictions, this is a great option. The spinner wheels provide effortless mobility. What people say. It held up well on my trip to Mexico. Easy to use the handles, zippers, pockets, etc. After several trips, I can say that the wheels glide smoothly as I use the sturdy handle for support while walking in the terminal and getting on the plane. The outside looks as good as new. The body is lightweight and solid, the inside is roomy and comes with a luggage lock. The luggage is extremely lightweight and rolls around smoothly on smooth surfaces. The zippers work smoothly. Number 2. Rockland Double Rolling Backpack. This stylish backpack is perfect for travel or everyday use. Its durable design and multiple compartments make it incredibly practical. Maneuver easily through crowded spaces or over uneven terrain. It's designed for effortless mobility. Pack all your essentials with ease. It has ample room for everything you need. Keep your smaller items neatly organized and easily accessible. This pocket is perfect for your phone, wallet, and other necessities. Quickly grab your water bottle or other items on the go. These pockets provide extra storage space. Carry it comfortably on your shoulders when you prefer not to roll it. The padded straps provide extra support. What we like. This rolling backpack features double wheels for stability and a convenient front pocket for quick access items. If you need a compact and versatile bag for everyday use or short trips, this is a great choice. The padded straps offer comfortable carrying when needed. What people say. It rolls and handles great. More than enough storage room for my art tools with added space as needed. The handle and wheels are sturdy enough to do what you need it to do. Carries your books, electronics, water bottle, has wheels so it moves, you can easily drag it behind you unless everything inside weighs you down. 3 main pockets, 2 sides pockets for water bottles. Fits a decent amount of stuff and could probably fit more, but it would be too heavy to drag along even on wheels. Handle extends to a long length and locks in place, and it easily compacts again. It is a good size and color, a very good quality and lightweight. Number 1. JWNY Sunrise Rolling Backpack. It's a backpack with wheels. Enjoy the convenience of rolling luggage combined with the portability of a traditional backpack. Perfect for kids and adults. It easily fits 2 large textbooks, a laptop, lunch, and other essentials. You'll have plenty of room for everything you need. Stay organized with the front pockets, key clip, pen holders, and card slots. Plus, there are mesh pockets for water bottles. The reinforced rubber base protects it from damage when rolling on pavement. No more worries about holes in the bottom. It's made from durable ripstop polyester with a metal frame and reinforced edges. A water-resistant coating keeps your belongings dry. Its compact size makes it ideal as underseat carry-on luggage. Take it on your next adventure. What we like. It's a versatile rolling backpack, perfect for students or travelers. If you need a bag that combines the convenience of wheels with the organization of a backpack, this is for you. Its large capacity and multiple compartments make it ideal for carrying books, laptops, and other essentials. What people say. I waited to give a review for a full use of a semester. I highly recommend this backpack and I love all the different designs. I got the pink paisley one and have gotten so many compliments. I'm in college full-time, mostly online. I take my backpack with me to campus or a coffee shop daily. I have it full. I put my Microsoft Surface in it, a trapper keeper, a planner, makeup bag full of pens, pencils, and still have room. Update after a full year of college use. The two side pockets have holes, but this was my fault. However, I can fit trapper keeper, laptop case, planner, wallet, colored pencil case, pen bag, and tons of chargers for all the things in it and still have room. It has held up well in rain, but isn't waterproof, so I sprayed a waterproof spray on the fabric and it helped wick the water off. The wheels have not broken, but something did get caught in one. It's hard to get in there and try and cut it free, but it can be done. The handle to roll the bag needed fighting 2 times now, and it's not a big deal with a screwdriver. I did wear it 3 times and it's hard to get straps on off, but super comfortable and don't notice the weight. I am happy with it and plan to either sew on replacement fabric on the side pockets or buy a new one for next school year in the fall. Totally worth it if you have a big campus like I do. Also, the color has not faded and seams are great. I purchased this item for my 8th grader. It arrived earlier than expected and the packaging was very secure. The handle, binding, zippers and wheels all appeared to be of excellent quality. The cavity is very large, it fits a textbook, 2 binder, pencil pouch plus room for thin or small items. There are 2 smaller compartments, one fits gym clothes, rolled, and the other holds keys, money, etc. There are 2 bonuses. 1, the interior cavity has a lining, and 2, the backpack straps fit nicely in a casing so they don't get caught in the wheels. Very smart design. It has been in use for 4 weeks now and the quality is still maintained. The compartments have been stuffed with school supplies, rolled on various outdoor surfaces and has been weathered in several rains. It met my expectations and I would highly recommend this product. Updated on 2/22/2013. My 8th grader has been using this roller backpack for school for 6 months now. Just now, the bottom material is starting to thin out. I'm still very happy though because of the way this bag is dragged and tossed, all the outer construction is still very good. The handles, zippers, fabric and wheels are still in very good shape and working well. Still would highly recommend this roller bag after 6 months of daily and rigorous use. I use this as a tennis bag. I'm getting too old to carry all my tennis gear around, so I was looking for something I could roll out to the courts. This bag is perfect. It's a great size to hold several tennis rackets. And I really like the additional storage compartments for miscellaneous items. It holds everything I need, including tennis balls, water bottle, wallet, keys, etc. I also like that this can be used as a carry-on piece of luggage when flying. And there's the option of wearing it as a backpack if that's your thing. The color is a beautiful blue. The rollers seem well built and the bag doesn't fall over like some tennis bags do. I highly recommend this backpack. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.